Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel Really Creativity. Okay, so today we are about to do something creative as the name goes, really creativity. Alright, so let me introduce the materials we'll be using today. So this is warding, it's called warding, okay? It's like a very thick cotton, like it's not like cotton, but yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's called warding, okay? Yeah, so just watch it here, somewhere here, okay? And then I'll be using raw silk fabric. So if you're asking me where you can get some, I got mine from Ghana. My sister got it for me, and I don't know where else you can get it. I got mine from Ghana, but you can use any fabric that looks similar to this for this tutorial. Alright, so this tutorial we're about to do is another type of Zara cap that is really trending, and it's called Senegalese Zara cap. Okay, so the creativity here is this Zara cap is sewn. They sew it in a different way, which I don't even have idea how to do it. I don't know how they came about with the style. I don't know how they arrived on the style, how they did it actually, but I have visioned it, and I'm going to use this what I have to see whether I'll get something similar to that, okay? So let's see how it's going to go. I've done a lot of Zara caps, so I feel like I have to mix it with for you so that you have different way to style your Zara cap. So I'll be dropping the measurements for this scarf as well down here, so please be watching this side as well. All right, so let's go straight to the tutorial. So I'm going to fold it like this, actually not into two, something like this, okay? And then I'll take one of it, place it in the middle. So it's like dividing it into two, okay? In the middle, like this, and then I'll fold it. And fold it again. Okay. Alright, like this. But before then, I need to have some hair at the back because I don't have hair. I have cut my hair down again. My gray hair is really itchy. It itches and I don't feel comfortable. I just trim everything off. So I have restarted the hair again. So I don't have anything at my back. So let me support it with this. This one I got it from Shein, I guess. Yes, I think Shein. So this I'll have some clips inside it. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to place it somewhere here at the back and then attach pin. Okay, I'll pin it to attach it. That is temporary, just to show you how it will look. Okay, so if you are doing yours, try and get some that they have already sewn on it. Okay, don't use the pins because it's dangerous. You can pin your head. Me, I'm professional, so don't worry. If you want to try this method too, just be careful with the pin, okay? I have seen that they have done some of this thing this week, and then the net, they are selling it. I don't know where they sell it, but you can check it online. Already made one, okay, that you can buy. All right, so now we are good to go. Now let me just put it on. Let me tuck the side in. And then I'm going to tie a knot here. Alright, so this one we are going to use to create the design, okay? So I'll bring it up like this, and then I'll take this one in. I'll place it in the middle, okay? Tuck it in, and then drag it forward. Then take the side All right, and then we are going to pin it with straight pin. Okay, pin it down. Remember, we are not sewing. Okay, so now I'm going to drag it a little bit like this. And let me tap the side in. Okay, let me smoothen it. Okay, I'll bring it here. And then tap it in. Alright, so don't worry about this side because we are going to use this one to cover it. Okay, so now let's open it. Open it like this. Let me turn it. And then I'm going to fold it in like this. And then take it round. So I'll take this one first in, and then bring this one like this. Alright, so I'm going to pin it to secure it, okay? And then I'll pin this side, and this side, okay? Alright, I hope the back is okay. So it's looking like a hat on a Zara cap, okay? It's also another type of Zara caps, okay? So I just want to show, I'm just trying to do it as a head wrap so that in case you don't have money to buy it, you can recreate it with your own scarf, okay? I hope it's looking good. So you can let it like this, okay? You can wear it like this. At this point, I don't even know whether it's looking like the Zara cap, the Senegalese Zara cap. I don't know whether it's looking like it, but I have created something similar, I guess. All right. It's not easy doing this without sewing. It's not easy, but trust me, you can. Okay. So let me just arrange it. Okay, so here's the back. I hope the back is looking nice. So this is just for demonstration, okay? If you have your own hair, you have natural hair, it's perfect, okay? Just do that with it, okay? All right, so I think we need some decoration. It's not compulsory, you can add decoration if you wish. So let me add the brooch and let's see. Okay, so let me show you another way. You can see lines down. You can bring it down there. Alright, so I want to bring it down like this. Let me bring it down a little bit so that it looks something like this. Okay, just be playing around it and create your own design. Okay, so I want it to, yes, it has to look like this. Okay, and this side will up a bit. Okay, and then we add the brooch or without brooch. Okay, how do I look? I love it, and I hope you're also going to love it. Please don't say it's difficult. You can do it. Okay, practice, practice, practice. That's the key. All right, so thank you for watching, and then see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell on so that anytime I post, you get the notification that I've posted. Thank you always for watching me. I love you all. Bye.